Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing the 3-step car air conditioner cleaner with the products which are easily available in our homes. So first off, we'll be using Lysol bathroom cleaner. Make sure it's a foam based cleaner, and the second would be the Dettol all-in-one disinfectant spray. This would be the second step, and the third is this Saladdin. Basically, it says it removes 99.9% of germs and mold from the system, and it's antibacterial, and it's all natural. So we'll be doing with these three things. So first, what we'll do is we'll just get into our car and take out the glove box, and over here you can see that there's this AC cabin filter, and here's the blower. You can see it's pretty dirty, and there's some old leaves, dried up leaves over here, and I think this is the evaporator. Okay, so basically this little thing, this white thing, this is called, I think, temperature gauge or something. It's if you can take that out, that would be great. And over here, this is the blower. It's just hooked up with 3 screws. We'll just take it out, and this is the vent for your feet. So we'll take that out as well. It is with a 10 mm bolt, and we'll be able to access the evaporator. So over here you can see this area it's pretty dirty. So like we took out that AC like for the vent, and we'll be starting the process. So we took out the blower. It's hooked up with 3 screws, and you can see it's pretty dirty. It's in a pretty bad condition. I don't know, it's not been cleaned up for a long time. So I took this out. It's hooked up with a 10 mm bolt. You can see how it is. It's so dirty. And over here you can see you can have an idea that it's very dirty. It hasn't been cleaned in so many years. This is a 2003 model, so you can actually look at okay, so in this view you can see all this is soiled up. There's a lot of dust over here, and we'll be using this Lysol power foam cleaner, bathroom cleaner. You can also use a regular AC foam cleaner as well. So I had this in my home before, so I just use it, and I'll be using this pipe. So basically it's just so that I can reach in deep corners and stuff. So like I'll be using this on all of these surfaces, and let it sit for a few minutes. So first we will start off with this, and we'll just clean the blower and then take no, not sorry, not the intake. Okay, so over here you can see I already cleaned it up, and the water is very dirty, and it's a lot of gunk came out of there. And like I just tried that I washed it with the bathroom cleaner and then with the clean water, but I just didn't submerge it completely. So be very specific about it, be very peculiar. Okay, so you can see that I attached that pipe, and I'm just gonna put that pipe inside so that it can reach the evaporator, and I'll be using short bursts. And over here as well I will be using that, and I'll be cleaning all of this. So over here you can see that I sprayed the foam cleaner, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a few minutes so that like it can take out all that dust. And then this water spray bottle, I'll be using that to rinse it, and with the help of the pipe I'll be able to get into the tight areas. So over here, as you can see that it's pretty clean after I rinse it. And now I'm just gonna wipe it with the microfiber towel, and you can already actually look at it that it's pretty clean. Okay, so now the next step would be I'll be using the bathroom cleaner in all these vents on the dashboard and all these AC vents. So over here what I did is I just plugged it with matchsticks, and I poke holes on the side so that when I'm gonna slide it in, so instead of just going right through, it'll be dispersed 360. So it'll make sure that it'll be the foam, it'll get into all those crevices and all those cracks or all those vents completely. So this is how we do, and you can actually see as I started this, this dirty water started coming out. And over here as well, you can see that the foam is dissipating. It's doing its job. So we'll just leave it for around like 5 to 10 minutes so that the cleaner can do its job. And we'll just do it in short bursts, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and over here you will see that you have to spray it until it comes out. So you can actually see over here that I'm just going deep inside it in the AC vents like this. Look at it. All that dirty water coming out, dripping out. And this looks pretty clean now. It was very dirty before. And now also we'll just take out this drain pipe, and we'll just do it with that Lysol bathroom cleaner, and then we'll use this water spray bottle and make sure that we rinse it off. Over here. See, it's not that dirty, but still we just make sure that we clean it as much as possible, and then we just hook it up. Okay, so here you can see, guys, that this is the dirty water which came out of the drain when I was actually using that bathroom cleaner and the vents, AC vents. So you can actually see that it really worked. A lot of water is spilled on the floor, but yeah. So guys, okay, so here's the final look. I installed this back, and you can see it's pretty clean. And I also installed the blower, and now we just hook it up like this, and it should click, and it's good to go. So it really looks really nice. It's way cleaner than before. So once we are all done with that, we'll just start off the engine and put the temperature on the coldest setting, put the blower on full blast, and we will be switching on different modes. Over here you can see there's a lot of water over here. There's nothing to worry about. You can actually just dry it up like that. And as I said, we'll be switching modes, and we'll just let it run for a few minutes. Make sure that the windows are rolled down. So over here you can see that it's already dried up. It's been 10 minutes, at least around like 10 minutes. And the air conditioner is not on, but I can actually feel the difference that the air is pretty cold. Now for step 2, we'll be using this Dettol Disinfectant spray. So we'll just spray liberally in the vents, and all of these vents over there as well. And then we'll just start up the engine and put the blower fan on full blast and roll down the windows, put it in the air circulation mode, and then turn on the AC and just switch the modes and let it be like that for a few minutes, and then we'll just switch it up, and instead of air recirculation, we will switch it to air intake, the fresh air intake, and then we'll go in front of our car. And this is from where the air gets sucked in, so we just spray liberally over there. And as we sprayed over there, I can actually feel it, that like it's working, and all that the scent, it's coming in. We'll just spray over here as well. We'll just take out the cabin filter and spray liberally. And over here, as you can see, that it's in the fresh air intake. Now we just close it. So what we are doing over here is we are making sure that this disinfectant spray gets in this car's AC system. We'll just roll down the windows for a few minutes and put it on full blast and let it be there for a few minutes. So we'll just start the process again, and now we'll be switching the modes. And it seems like it's pretty good now. So now step 3 is Saladdin Odor Eliminator. So we put the AC mode on off, full blast, and then we just put it on the passenger side, as the blower is on the passenger side. So it comes with 2 pieces. We'll take this foil apart, and we'll just break the seal. It contains liquid. So we'll just so over here it says how it should be. So full fan mode should be on your, like, the vents should be on your face, and that's it. Okay, so we will start with adding the liquid in the container. And so basically, in this round thing on which there's a sticker, do not pour water on top of can. So basically this includes some kind of powder in it. So we'll just put the liquid inside and just let it sit for a few minutes so that it soaks the water completely, the liquid completely, and then it will start with a smoke. And it's for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and okay, so it's done. As you can see, it's a bit hot, and due to the chemical reaction, it's been burnt. So that means it worked. And we just roll down the windows. The scent is actually, it's okay. So this is how you disinfect your car. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care.